I'm here with my Dash mini waffle maker, and we are going to make some waffle brownies.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
Let's check out the instructions for this brownie mix. It says I will need 3 large eggs, water, and vegetable oil. For fudgy brownies, I need 2 eggs, a 1/4 cup water, and a 1/2 cup of oil. For cake-like brownies, I need 3 eggs, a 1/4 cup water, and a 1/2 cup oil. I think I will make the fudgy brownies because I feel like if I wanted cake, I would have bought cake mix. And I like brownies to be denser and thicker than cake. I just got my ingredients. I have my 2 eggs, I have a 1/4 cup of water, and the only oil I have is coconut oil, which is solid at room temperature right now because I'm filming this in the middle of winter. And so I've had to warm it up to bring it to its liquid state. So hopefully when I mix this together, it's not going to solidify again, but if it does, oh well. I'm using a 4-cup Pyrex measuring cup as my mixing bowl. The first thing I'm going to do is crack my eggs into it and then beat my eggs. Next, I'm going to add the water. Stir that in. And next, I am going to add the coconut oil, and hopefully it won't solidify or cook the eggs. Everything looks really good, so I'm going to be adding the brownie mix. I added about half of the brownie mix. It smells so chocolatey. This is going to be a really thick batter. The batter is all mixed. I'm heating up the mini waffle maker. Once the blue light goes off, then we can start making a waffle brownie. The light just went off on the waffle iron, so I'm just gonna grab a whole bunch of this brownie batter and stick it in the waffle iron. I'm using a really large serving spoon. That looks good. Let's shut this. And then let's come back in about 5 minutes. I'm using my OK Pro 500 watt portable power station to power my Dash mini waffle maker. This 500 watt portable power station is charged with solar panels, so we are cooking with solar energy today. It's been 5 minutes now. Let's open this up and see what's going on inside. That's what it looks like, and yes, it did get messy and some of the batter leaked over the side, like all over here. I'm just going to touch it a little bit. I am going to continue cooking this for another few minutes, so we'll do 2 more minutes and then we'll be back. It's been another few minutes, so let's see. It's still very soft on top. But we have to remember this is a brownie, it's not a waffle. And it looks like it will easily come up off of the bottom. And that's what it looks like when you cook a brownie in a Dash mini waffle maker. We're gonna let this cool and then we'll come back and we'll taste it. Here is the waffle brownie. It looks really good. It's gotten a lot firmer as it has cooled down, and it's quite heavy. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to break it in half. And that's what it looks like inside. I'm going to break another piece off. And I'm going to taste it. Super crispy. The waffle texture gives you a whole lot more surface area to crisp up. So if you like crispy edges on your brownies, this is like super crispy. And the inside is chewy and kind of cake-like. It doesn't really have the dense fudginess that a brownie usually has because of the shape of the waffle, but it's still really good. If I was in the mood for a chocolate waffle and I only had some brownie mix around, this would definitely hit the spot. Or if I was in the mood for some brownies and I only had a Dash waffle maker, this would be perfectly fine to make them that way. This would definitely work for a brownie craving. So brownie batter works really good in a Dash mini waffle maker. In fact, what would be amazing is making a waffle brownie and then letting it cool just a little bit and then topping it with some vanilla ice cream. Oh my gosh, that would be so good. I know some people that would really love that. So that is how you can make a waffle brownie in a Dash mini waffle maker. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.